Did you know that over 3,000 people accidentally burn their food every single day because their oven temperature is off? Or that 40% of us who struggle to chop vegetables evenly, leading to uneven cooking? What if I told you there are kitchen gadgets on Amazon that can solve these problems instantly? These incredible tools don't just make cooking easier, they make it foolproof. Ready to explore the gadgets that can transform your kitchen? Let's get started. Number 1. Attic City Infrared Thermometer Laser Temperature Gun. The Attic City Infrared Thermometer is not just any kitchen gadget, it's a tool that brings precision to your cooking. Imagine you're grilling a steak and want it perfectly medium rare. This thermometer can help you nail it every time by accurately measuring the surface temperature of your griddle or grill. Its temperature range is impressive, going from a chilly -58 degrees Fahrenheit to a blazing 1130 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range makes it versatile enough to handle everything from checking if your pizza stove is hot enough to ensuring your barbecue is at the right temperature. The best part? You don't have to get close to the heat source, thanks to its non-contact design, which allows you to measure temperatures from a safe distance. This feature is not only practical, but also adds an element of safety to your kitchen routine. What sets this thermometer apart is its professional EMS mode, allowing you to adjust the emissivity settings to suit different surfaces. This means you can get precise readings whether you're checking the temperature of a metal pan, a ceramic plate, or even a brick pizza oven. Plus, it has a backlit LCD screen, so you can easily read the temperature even in dim lighting. This gadget is also equipped with an auto-off feature to save battery life, which is a thoughtful addition. With over 35,000 ratings on Amazon and a 4.7 out of 5 stars, it's clear that users love this tool. It's not just a gadget, it's a reliable companion for anyone serious about cooking. Number 2. Full Star Vegetable Chopper. Meal prep can be a time-consuming chore, but the Full Star Vegetable Chopper makes it a breeze. This 4-in-1 gadget is a superstar in the kitchen, allowing you to chop, slice, and dice your vegetables with ease. Whether you're preparing a salad, stir-fry, or just need to quickly chop some onions without the tears, this chopper is up to the task. It comes with rust-resistant stainless steel blades that stay sharp and handle everything from tough root vegetables to soft fruits. The design is user-friendly, with a non-skid base that ensures the chopper stays in place while you're working, and a catch tray that keeps everything neat and tidy. What makes the Full Star Vegetable Chopper stand out is its versatility. You can switch between different blade attachments to achieve the perfect cut for your recipe. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is quick and easy. Just toss it in and you're done. With over 108,000 ratings and a solid 4.5 stars on Amazon, it's clear this is a favorite among home cooks. It's not just practical, but also a fun gadget to use, making your kitchen time more enjoyable and efficient. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, this chopper is a must-have for your kitchen arsenal. Number 3. Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. When it comes to baking or cooking, precision is key, and that's where the Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set comes into play. This set is a game changer, especially if you've ever struggled to measure out ingredients from narrow spice jars. These double-headed spoons are designed to fit perfectly into jars and containers, ensuring you get an accurate measurement every time. One side of each spoon is oval, perfect for fitting into narrow openings, while the other side is rounded, ideal for liquid ingredients. The spoons are made of high-quality stainless steel, so they're durable and resistant to bending or breaking, and the measurements are clearly marked on each spoon for easy readability. What makes this set even more practical is its magnetic design. The spoons stack neatly together, making them easy to store in a drawer or hang on a metal surface like your fridge. This clever design not only saves space, but also ensures you'll never lose a spoon in your kitchen drawers again. With over 4,000 ratings and a stellar 4.8-star rating, it's clear that users love the convenience and accuracy these spoons bring to their kitchen routines. Whether you're an experienced baker or just someone who enjoys cooking at home, this set is a valuable addition to your kitchen tools, making your cooking more precise and enjoyable. Number 4. Ecolution Patented Micro-Pop Microwave Popcorn Popper. For popcorn lovers, the Ecolution Micro-Pop Microwave Popcorn Popper is a dream come true. This gadget makes it incredibly easy to enjoy fresh, homemade popcorn without the need for unhealthy oils or expensive microwave popcorn bags. The popper is made from temperature-safe borosilicate glass, which is durable and resistant to the heat of the microwave. It features a 3-in-1 lid that serves as a measuring tool for kernels, a cover for popping, and a butter melter. Simply measure your kernels, pour them into the popper, and microwave for a few minutes. The result is fluffy, delicious popcorn that you can enjoy as a snack or during movie nights. What's great about this popcorn popper is not just its ease of use, but also its health benefits. By using this gadget, you avoid the chemicals and additives found in store-bought microwave popcorn. You can also control the amount of butter or salt you add, making it a healthier option for you and your family. The Ecolution Micro Pop is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With over 67,000 ratings and a 4.3-star rating on Amazon, it's a popular choice for those who love homemade snacks. Plus, it's a fun way to make popcorn that's both kid-friendly and adult-approved. Number 5. Cuisinart Large Spin Stop Salad Spinner. If you're someone who enjoys fresh salads, the Cuisinart Large Spin Stop Salad Spinner is an essential gadget for your kitchen. This spinner makes washing and drying salad greens, fruits, and vegetables quick and effortless. Simply place your greens in the basket, rinse them under cold water, and then spin them dry by turning the easy-to-use knob. The best part is the Spin Stop button, which halts the spinning with just one press, allowing you to quickly remove the greens without them flying out. The non-skid base ensures stability during use, and the clear bowl doubles as a serving dish, adding to its versatility. This salad spinner isn't just about functionality, it's also about convenience. You can add and drain water without removing the lid, which makes the process faster and less messy. The Cuisinart salad spinner has a generous 5-quart capacity, perfect for preparing large batches of salad for family dinners or gatherings. And when you're done, just pop it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. With a 4.5-star rating from over 11,000 reviews, it's clear that this spinner is a favorite among health-conscious home cooks. It's a gadget that not only saves time, but also helps you enjoy fresher, crispier salads at home. Number 6. Elite Gourmet Stainless Steel Sandwich Panini Maker. The Elite Gourmet Stainless Steel Sandwich Panini Maker is a must-have for anyone who loves a good sandwich. This compact yet powerful gadget can turn your ordinary sandwiches into gourmet creations with crispy golden brown bread and perfectly melted fillings. It's ideal for making grilled cheese, tuna melts, or even more elaborate paninis with meats and veggies. The non-stick cooking surface ensures that your sandwiches come out perfectly every time, without sticking or tearing, and it makes cleanup a breeze. Despite its small size, this sandwich maker packs a punch with its 750-watt power, cooking your sandwiches evenly and quickly. One of the standout features of the sandwich maker is its simplicity. It's designed for easy use, with indicator lights that tell you when the machine is on and when it's ready to cook. The compact design is perfect for small kitchens or for those who don't want a bulky appliance taking up counter space. When not in use, it stands upright for easy storage. With over 600 ratings and a 4.4-star average on Amazon, it's clear that this panini maker is a hit with users who appreciate its performance and convenience. It's an affordable and practical gadget that adds a touch of gourmet to your everyday meals. Number 7. Green Life 3-in-1 Breakfast Station. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier with the Green Life 3-in-1 Breakfast Station. This gadget is perfect for those who love a hearty breakfast but don't want to juggle multiple pans and appliances. The 3-in-1 design includes dual griddles for cooking eggs, pancakes, or meat, along with a handy toast drawer that can cook 2 slices of bread simultaneously. The non-stick ceramic coating is PFAS-free, ensuring healthier cooking without harmful chemicals, and it makes cleanup effortless. The griddles are perfect for cooking different components of your breakfast at once, so you can whip up a full meal in no time. What makes the Green Life Breakfast Station even more appealing is its thoughtful design features. The built-in timer lets you track your cooking without having to hover over the stove, and the cool touch handles make it safe to use, even when it's hot. The tempered glass lid with a steam vent allows you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid and losing heat. With over 1,500 ratings and a 4.3-star rating, it's clear that this breakfast station is a favorite for busy mornings. It's a versatile and fun gadget that simplifies breakfast, making it a great addition to any kitchen. And there you have it, 7 game-changing kitchen gadgets that make your cooking smarter, faster, and a whole lot more fun. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Happy cooking!